Hello guys, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're checking out the Vivo Y58 5G, a brand new phone that offers a powerful processor, a stunning display, and a long-lasting battery, all at an attractive price point. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Vivo Y58 5G comes with large display and smooth performance. The Vivo Y58 boasts a large 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display ensures a fluid and responsive experience, perfect for gaming, browsing the web, and watching videos. The display gets incredibly bright at 1024 nits, making it easily viewable even outdoors. The resolution is Full HD+, offering sharp visuals for most users. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor paired with 8GB of RAM. This combination provides smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. With 128GB of storage and a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. Capable camera system with a touch of style. The Vivo Y58 5G features a dual camera system on the back. The main sensor is a powerful 50MP sensor that captures clear and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. The secondary 2MP depth sensor adds a beautiful bokeh effect to your portrait shots. While the single 8MP front-facing camera might seem basic, it should be sufficient for video calls and casual selfies. The phone also boasts a unique notification LED light on the back, adding a touch of personality. Built to last with everyday durability. The Vivo Y58 comes in two stylish colors, Himalayan blue and Sundarbans green. It also boasts an IP64 dust and water resistance rating, meaning it can withstand splashes and dust without a problem. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor provides convenient security. The massive 6000 mAh battery is a true powerhouse, offering all-day battery life on a single charge for most users. The 44W fast charging technology gets you back up and running quickly. A 3.5mm headphone jack is included, a feature many users appreciate. A feature-packed phone at a budget-friendly price. The Vivo Y58 5G is a compelling option for budget-minded users who prioritize a large and smooth display, a long-lasting battery, and a capable camera system. The 120Hz display, powerful processor, and expandable storage are impressive features for the price range. With a stylish design, dust and water resistance, and a massive battery, the Vivo Y58 offers excellent value for money. Is the Vivo Y58 5G worth buying? With a price tag of 19,499 rupees, the Vivo Y58 5G is a serious contender in the budget phone market. Are you looking for a phone with a large display and a long battery life? What features are most important to you in a budget phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Vivo Y58 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.